Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can return and refund your products which you have ordered through TikTok Shop. So let's get right into it. But before I do, let me quickly explain what TikTok Shop is. TikTok Shop is the replacement for the up until recent TikTok storefront. The storefront was a joint operation between TikTok and Shopify with a partnership where you could use Shopify through TikTok to buy several pieces of merch or other products that people are promoting through the app. Now, that partnership has come to a close, and now TikTok is continuing on their own, where they have established the TikTok Shop in as much as or as many as 8 regions up until this point. Without further ado, let me explain how you can return and refund your gear or your items. First and foremost, the returns need to have some certain criteria that needs to be pretty much satisfied before that you actually apply to the refund and return policy. Now, the first criterion is that refunds are available only past the point where the product has entered the shipped status and up until 30 calendar days after it is delivered, quote unquote. And yeah, as I said, right now, 30-day period following delivery, you can apply for a return and refund. You can do that through your TikTok application. I don't think you need to enter the TikTok shop or seller center. I can't show you guys what that looks like since TikTok shop is not available in my country currently. But yeah, you can just do that through a shop. You can just list your orders and you should have the option to raise a refund. And there are a few basic policies which I don't have the time to go over. It is on this article on the TikTok shop, which is sellers-uk.tiktok.com/university/essay. And I mean, it's basically this article. Let me just scroll. The guidelines for cancellation, return, and refund for sellers. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.